What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in. We're back in the 350z. We're actually right around the corner from the Shop Autobody and Paint repair. We're starting the paint tear down and everything today. I'm so excited. I've actually been nervous all day and all day yesterday leading up to this moment. I don't know why I'm nervous. I just think, you know, new place, new situation, new stuff happening, so you know, it's interesting. Anyways, we're headed over there. We're pretty close. We're like 5 minutes out, and I don't really know what's gonna happen today. I think we're gonna head over to PPG and probably buy some of the material needed, and then I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming we're gonna do some work today. I mean, obviously we are, but I don't know what we're gonna do. Are we gonna start the back? Are we gonna start on the front? I guess we'll find out when we get here. I guess it doesn't really matter where we start, but I'm nervous. All right, let's do this, you guys. We're here, you guys. We're gonna park, we're gonna run in, we're gonna see what the haps is, and then we'll be good. All right, you guys. Checked in. He's gonna meet us out front here. He had the whole suit on. Looked like he was doing some paint. That's so cool. All right, I brought the drone. I don't know if we're gonna need it, but you know, you never really know. I don't really know what to like, how to like, so when you paint stuff, do you have to get it all the way down to get like the paint gone, or?
No, either or. Okay, restoration is, when you do a restoration, yeah, you have to, you take the paint all the way down to bare metal.
Yeah.
For the reason is, it's an old car, so it has material for years. So you don't know what's under there. The new stuff that we're putting on, the paint, it might have a reaction. So when we paint it within time, it might start popping up.
Yeah.
Now, newer cars, 15, 20 years old, not a lot of material on there. So we pretty much just feather them out. Meaning that the chips, you won't feel them, just kind of set them out.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, feather them out. So you'll do one piece and I'll do this piece. That way you're seeing and we're watching what we're doing.
Sweet.
Yeah.
We're bringing it around the back. Yo, that's clean. All right, we're gonna get started here in a few seconds. I'm so excited. We're gonna work for about an hour or two a day, so this is like perfect. I'll pretty much be able to, you know, edit in between the days and stuff, and then, you know, we'll work on it here and there, and then we'll kind of just slowly come together, which is awesome. So, and yes, you guys, I did bring the GoPro mount, so we get the POV footage of, you know, painting the car and stuff.
So what we're gonna do is, okay, so I put 180 grit sandpaper. So the less the number on the sandpaper, the more aggressive it is. I'm doing 180, then we go up to 320, and after 320, we're to 600. So when you put primer, and you go ahead and try sanding the primer and painting, you don't have sand scratches coming up and showing through the paint.
Alright, so it's finer and finer as we go.
The finer is the better. This being a solid color, meaning there's no metallic, that means the scratches are not going to show as if it was metallic. If we had a silver, we had to do the finer the better, up to 1,000. What's showing through is this primer.
Okay.
Feather it out like this, and if you notice, I'm not sitting in one spot. It's almost like doing an X.
Back and forth.
It's back and forth. I'm gonna do it an X. Keep the DA flat, because when you go in an angle, you gouge it. When you go slow, take your time, back and forth, up and down. Almost like an X, like I said, go back this way. Once you start seeing this, it's almost, you're pretty much done.
Okay, so we're getting it all the way down to like that. So
no, to this white.
To the white?
Yeah.
Okay, so like...
But if this goes through like this, you're fine.
All right guys, so as you can tell, I need to be a little bit more aggressive on this side, but you can kind of see we have these rock chips right here. I don't know if you can, there. So you can kind of see them here. But basically we got to get it down to basically all look like this to get the rock chips out. And they're pretty much only going up to mostly here. So basically focus mostly on this front end here. Alright guys, so basically all done with 180 grit sandpaper here. Basically what we're going to do now is we have this 320 grit sandpaper, which we're going to put on next, and then we're going to go to town with the 320, and then we're going to do 600, and then I think we'll be done, and then we come back tomorrow.
Day 2.
Alright you guys, so it is day 2. We are back here at the shop. We got the Z. Check it out. Basically, we taped it all up. We're going to actually sand down the roof today, which is pretty cool. I haven't decided if I'm going to paint the roof black or should we just keep it red. Let me know down in the comments what we should do. I'm going to obviously leave this red, so black roof. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so we sanded down the roof. Check it out. Making progress.
On the edges, block it. Do the X tile. Yeah, back and forth.
Okay.
On the edges.
Inside, like these edges?
No, the edges of this.
Oh, okay.
So what you'll do is you'll kind of
go against it. You go up.
It's almost like block. See how like it gets rid of that shininess? Okay. Always keep on moving. You don't gouge anything. You're gonna kind of go in the angle, so you're gonna block it almost like an X.
All right, you guys, all done with the top. Check it out. We got the front, the hood is done, the roof, and then we sanded down the back as well. We still have to do this part right here, but we're gonna end it right here and come back tomorrow. But I'd say the progress we've made so far is awesome. Gotta take some tape off still, but I would say for episode 1 of painting the Z, I think it turned out great, and we're definitely in the process for sure now. There's no going back. So anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or you wanna see anything in specific and I can make it happen. And then if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I would really appreciate it if you would do that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.